Hello everyone, welcome to Windows for All. Today our video topic is how to enable remote desktop on Windows 11. So the first way is through Settings app. For this you have to press Windows key plus I. Settings app will appear. Now from the left select System. Now go to the right and scroll down and select Remote Desktop. Click on the toggle for Enable Remote Desktop. You will come across a pop-up. You and user selected under User Accounts will be able to connect to this PC remotely. Click on Confirm. After enabling this, click on this drop-down and check Required Devices to use network level authentication to connect. You can see also the remote desktop port number there. Here it is. After enabling this NLA option, you will have to authenticate the incoming connections to ensure there are no protection concerns. Now let me close this. Click on Search from the taskbar and type Control. Press Enter to open Control Panel. Now click on Network and Internet. Now click on Network and Sharing Center. Now from the left, select Change Advanced Sharing Settings. Now from Network Discovery section, check Turn on Network Discovery. Check this. Now click on Save Changes. That's all for way 1. Moving towards way 2, it's Enable Remote Desktop on Windows 11 via Control Panel. For this you have to press Windows key, type Advanced System Settings. Hit the Enter key. On System Properties window, click on Remote. Click on this tab. Check the box Allow Remote Assistance Connections to this computer. This one. Go down to the Remote Desktop section. Also select Allow Remote Connections to this computer. And at last, check Allow Connections only from computers running remote desktop with network level authentication. Now click on Apply and select OK to save the settings changes. That's how you can enable remote desktop on Windows 11. For more such videos, please subscribe our channel and share this video as much as you can with your friends and near ones who might help need of it. And also hit the bell icon to get instant notification of our published videos. Thank you.